Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to launch your own social media marketing agency? Here's how to create a professional website with Wix fast and easy. First of all, go to wix.com and sign up, then go to search bar, search for marketing agency templates and pick one that matches your brands. Use Wix's drag and drop editor to add your logo, colors, and services. Make sure to include an eye-catching homepage. Add a contact form, live chat, and a booking feature so potential clients can easily reach you. Create a pricing page and link Wix payments or PayPal for smooth transactions. Before publishing, use Wix SEO tools to rank higher on Google, then hit publish and start marketing. And that's it. Your social media agency website is live. Now start getting clients and grow your business. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.